Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus x equals cube root of x. So in this problem we have to find the value of x. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So here we have given square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus x is equal to cube root of x. So here let us consider y is equal to cube root of x. So now it will be y cube equal x. So now square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus, so here x equal y cube. So in place of x we can write this y cube. So equal, so cube square root of x, which is equal to y. So y. So now apply squares on both sides. So here square root get cancelled. Now it will be 1 plus square root of 1 plus y cube is equal to y square. So move this term to the right side. Now it will be square root of 1 plus y cube is equal to y square minus 1. So square root of 1 plus y cube so here we can write this 1 square. So here you can see this is in a form of a square minus 1 square, a square minus b square. We know this formula. So a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So use this formula. Here we can write y plus 1 y minus 1. So square root of 1 plus y cube y plus 1 y minus 1. So apply squares on both sides. So now here square root cancel. 1 plus y cube so is equal y plus 1 square times y minus 1 square. So now, so here, so this is in a form of a cube plus b cube. So here we know this formula, a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So use this formula. Here we can write, so y plus 1 y square minus y plus 1. So is equal, write this term, y plus 1 whole square y minus 1 whole square. So now move this term to the left side. Now it will be y plus 1 times y square minus y plus 1 minus, so y plus 1 square y minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So here you can see in these two terms we have common, that is y plus 1. So we can take out y plus 1 as a common. So now here we will write y plus 1. So here we are taking out y plus 1 as a common. Here we will write leftover numbers, that are y square minus y minus plus 1. So minus y plus 1. So here one more y plus 1 is there, times y minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So now split these factors as two parts. One is y plus 1 is equal to 0. Other one is y square minus y plus 1. So minus y plus 1, and so y minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So from this equation we'll get y equal minus 1. So minus 1. So here, so we already considered that y is equal to cube root of x. So y cube is equal to x. So x equal y cube. So here we got y value is minus 1. Just substitute the y value in this equation, then we will get x value. So x equal minus 1 cube. So x equal minus 1 cube, which is equal to minus 1. So this is the value of x. So coming to this term, so y square minus y plus 1 minus y plus 1. So here you can see this is in a form of a minus b whole square. So we know this formula, a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. So use this formula here we can write. So y square plus 1 square, so minus 2ab 2y is equal to 0. Y square minus y plus 1 minus, so now multiply these two terms, then we will get, so y times y square, which is equal to y cube. So y cube minus 2 y square plus y square. So 1 time y square, which is equal to y square. So minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So now y square minus y plus 1 minus, so here y cube minus 2y square plus y square, which is equal to minus y square. So here minus 2y plus y, which is equal to minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So now multiply with my negative sign. So now it will be y square minus y plus 1. So minus y cube, minus minus it will become positive. So minus minus it will become positive y. Here minus plus it will become minus 1 is equal to 0. So now, so here minus y plus y both are get cancelled. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So here plus y square, which is equal to 2y square minus y cube equal to 0. So in these two terms we have common, that is y square. So we are taking out y square as a common. Now here we will write leftover numbers, that are 2 minus y is equal to 0. So now split these factors as two parts. One is y square is equal to 0 and another one is 2 minus y is equal to 0. So here y equal 0. So x equal y cube. So just substitute the value of y in this equation. So 0 cube, so x equal to 0. So here y equal to 2. So x equal to y cube, x equal to y values 2 cube, x equal to 2 cube, which is equal to 8. So here, we got x equal to minus 1, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 8. So now let's verify. So let's verify with this minus 1 first. So x1 equal to minus 1, square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus x equal to cube root of x. So 1 plus square root of 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 3 square root of minus cube root of minus 1. So square root of 1 plus square root of 1 1 minus 1 which is equal to 0. So here cube root of minus 1 which is equal to minus 1. So square root of 1 plus 0 equal to minus 1, and square root of 1 plus 0 which is equal to square root of 1 equal to minus 1. Square root of 1 which is equal to 1 equal to minus 1. So 1 is not equal to minus 1. So this is not right answer. So coming to just substitute the value of x in this equation. Square root of 1 plus 8 is equal to 3 cube root of 8. So here 1 plus square root of 1 plus 9 which is equal to 1 plus 8 which is equal to 9. So square root of 9 which is equal to 3. So here 2 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. So here 3 get cancelled. So 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. So square root of 4 which is equal to 2 is equal to 2. So this is true. So now x equal to 0. x2 equal to 0. Square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus 0 equal to cube root of 0. So here square root of 1 plus square root of 1 is equal to cube root of 0 which is equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Square root of 1 plus 1 which is equal to square root of 2 equal to 0. So this is also, so these two are not real solutions. So this is x3 value is the right answer. 8 is the right answer. So x equal 8. Thank you for watching.